Good morning, student. Welcome to Silver Bells Mansarovar online education. We are going to discuss about past tense. In previous lecture, we discussed about present tense. In this tense, we are going to discuss about past tense. Let us start with simple past tense, and we start with use. The simple past tense expresses such action which action took place in the past time. Okay, so what you have to keep in your mind? Simple past tense expresses that action which action took place in past time. Okay, event of history or any past time action. Okay, we use simple past tense. After understanding use, we are going to discuss about the formation. Okay, formation of assertive sentence. So by which way we can form assertive sentence? Subject, V2 and object. Okay, in previous tense, in simple present tense, we used V1 with subject, but in simple past tense we use V2. Okay, see the examples. Virat played good cricket. Okay, so played is V2, past form. Okay, Virat played good cricket. Now then Mr. Patel taught maths. Taught maths is also V2, okay, past form. Then third one is they played kho. So you can understand, okay, by which way you can form, okay, assertive sentence of simple past tense. Now formation of negative sentence. So over here you can see subject plus did not, then V1 and object. Subject plus did not, V1 and object. Whenever you use did, okay, you have to utilize V1. You can see over here Virat did not play. Did is here, so play is here. Mr. Patel did not teach, V1, and they did not play kho. Okay, did is here, so we use V1. So whenever you use did, okay, then you have to put V1. Okay, afterwards okay, next interrogative sentence. See, did, then subject, then V1 and object. Did is here, then subject, V1 and object. So did Virat play good cricket? Did Mr. Patel teach maths? Did they play kho? So by this way you can make interrogative sentences also. Suppose if you want to use WH, so by using WH word you can also form interrogative. Suppose where did you go yesterday? Okay, it is a simple past tense, okay, and WH also. Now next tense we are going to discuss, which is past continuous tense. Okay, students, see the use of past continuous tense. The past continuous tense expresses such action which action was going on in past time. Okay, which action was going on in past time. Compare with present continuous tense. Present continuous tense expresses such action which action is going on in present time. But in past continuous tense expresses such action which action was going on in past time, in particular time, particular action was going on. See the formation: subject, then was verb with ing and object. Student, you have to keep this thing in your mind. In all continuous tense we use verb with ing. Okay, to be form will be changed, but verb with ing will be always. So subject, then was verb, then verb with ing and object. Now for singular we use was, for plural we use were. Okay, we have discussed this thing. Then see, according pattern, the sentence is Virat was playing good cricket. Okay, Virat is a singular, so we have put was over here. Mr. Patel was teaching maths. Okay, Mr. Patel is singular, so that is why we have put was. But over you can see they is a plural form, so were is here. They were playing kho-kho. Okay, now see formation of negative sentences. Okay, by which way we can form negative sentence? Subject, was, were, not, verb with ing and object. Now you can see Virat was not playing good cricket. Okay, Virat was not playing good cricket. Okay, after putting not, okay, means was and then not, we can make negative sentence. Now next, Mr. Patel was not teaching maths, then they were not playing kho-kho. So by this way you can turn that sentence into negative. Now if you want to turn that sentence into interrogative, so see the formula pattern. What you have to do? You have to put was and were in front, then subject, then verb with ing and object. So see the sentence: was Virat playing good cricket? Okay, was Mr. Patel teaching maths? Were they playing kho-kho? So by this way you can turn, okay, into interrogative form also. Now friends, we are going to discuss about past perfect tense. Okay, past perfect tense. The past perfect tense expresses such action which action started in past time and that action completed in past time. Okay, particular action, okay, took place in past time and it got over also in past time. Compare with present perfect tense. In present perfect tense we have seen that present perfect tense expresses such action which action completed in the nearest past, but the effect of that action is still going on. But over here in past perfect, particular action, okay, started in past time, but it action got over in past time and there is no effect of that action. Okay, ध्यान क्या रखना है, पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में कोई क्रिया स्टार्ट होती है पास्ट में, ओके, और कंप्लीट भी पास्ट में ही हो जाती है और उसकी कोई इफेक्ट रहती नहीं है. तो ये डिफरेंस आपको याद रखना है कि प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में एक्शन तो पास्ट में ही कंप्लीट होती है, नज़दीक का पास्ट में, पर उसकी इफेक्ट प्रेजेंट में होती है. यहाँ पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में जो एक्शन है वो पास्ट में होती है और उसकी जो फिनिश भी हो जाती है पास्ट में और उसकी कोई इफेक्ट रहती नहीं है. ओके, सो दैट बाय दिस वे यू कैन मेक द सेंटेंस. Now see the formation by which way we can form the sentence. Subject plus head with three and object. Okay, so over here we have to use head. Virat had played good cricket. Mr. Patel had taught maths. And third one, they had played kho-kho. So by using head and then V3, okay, we can change into past perfect tense. Okay, suppose if you have that kind of question. Now next, formation of negative. If you want to turn that sentence into negative, by which way you can make? You have to put not after head. Okay, Virat had not played good cricket. Mr. Patel had not taught maths. They had not played kho-kho. So by using not, okay, you can make it into negative. Now next, Formation of interrogative. By which way you can form interrogative sentence? Nothing you have to do more. You have to put head in front and then subject, then V3, then object and question mark. So you can see had Virat played good cricket? Question mark. Okay, had is here. Then had Mr. Patel taught maths? Then had they played Kho? By this way, okay, you can form interrogative sentence also. Okay, if you want to make WH question, what you have to do? You have to put WH word, what, when, where, and then head and remaining pattern of interrogative sentence. Okay. Now, last part of past tense, which is the past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense shows duration of the past time. Okay, we have discussed a past perfect continuous. What is there? We discussed about present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous tense shows the duration of present time. So the same way, past perfect continuous tense show the difference duration of the past time. Use the past perfect continuous tense expresses such action which action started in past time. That action was going on in past time and that action got over in past time. Okay, particular action took place in past time. Okay, it run for some time and then it got over in past time. Okay, if I give an example, suppose if I want to say, when I was in class 9th, I had been doing my computer classes for 6 months. Okay, so when I was in class 9th means the action of past, and their duration if I want to say about computer classes, so I can use, okay, I had been doing my computer क्लास for 6 months. Okay, 6 month के लिए मैंने वो कंप्यूटर क्लासेस किए थे. नाउ सी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ असर्टिव सेंटेंस. असर्टिव सेंटेंस के फॉर्मेशन देखते हैं. सब्जेक्ट प्लस हेड प्लस बीन वर्ब विथ आईएनजी एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट हेड प्लस बीन वर्ब आईएनजी एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. See the sentences. Virat had been playing good cricket. Mr. Patel had been teaching maths. They had been playing kho. Okay. Make sure in present perfect tense had plus V3 and in present perfect continuous tense had plus been verb with ing. Now negative formation. Formation of negative sentence. Subject plus had, not, then been verb ing and object. Okay, Virat had not been playing good cricket. Then Mr. Patel had not been teaching maths and they had not been playing kho. Okay, by this way you can turn, okay, into negative formation. Okay, now see interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentence, what we have to do? We have to put had in front, then subject, then been verb ing, then object and question mark. So had Virat been playing good cricket? Had Mr. Patel been teaching maths? And third one, had they been playing kho. Okay, so by this way you can turn this sentence into negative form also. Okay, students, okay, by this way we have finished a past tense. Okay, what you have to do in your homework, you have to make 5 sentences of each tense, okay, for practice. Thank you, have a nice day.